I am going to use Anupam 300 GSM A4 size drawing sheet. This is watercolor sheet. The quality of sheet is really good, like a handmade sheet. To make Madhubani paintings, use only a good quality sheet. To draw this painting, I am going to use Artline drawing system pens. This is a set of 9 pens. I will use these pens in my painting for thick and thin outlines. These are waterproof pens. If you don't wanna buy these pens, no worries, you can use gel pen, but your gel pen should be waterproof. You can use Dorito Maxtron gel pen. This is a waterproof gel pen. And for coloring, I will use brush pens. These brush pens gives watercolor effect. That's why I am using watercolor sheet here. All the material links are provided in description box for your reference. First, draw border around your sheet in this way. Now I am going to draw design in border. Draw simply this kind of sleeping lines. Freehand lines I am making here. No measurement is required. Now draw slanting lines. With the help of slanting lines, I will make a check design here in this way. Leave a block, and in third block we will draw same design. In this way, complete the border. First, I am going to draw with pencil. This is a tree image. Here, draw a small fish. Draw a lotus flower here. Now draw branches. Main image is complete. Now do outline with 0.8 tip pen. After outline, it's time to add patterns. To add patterns, I am using 0.3 tip pen. First, draw double line around the fish, then draw pattern inside it. If you are a beginner and don't have Madhubani drawing material, no worries, no need to buy this all stuff. I have uploaded many easy videos on my channel for beginners with easy material. You can go on my channel playlist to learn step by step Madhubani with easy material. You can recreate this painting by using only one pen also. Dorito Maxtron 0.5 tip pen. This is a waterproof gel pen. Similar pattern we will add in the second fish. Same in lotus. Draw double line first, then draw pattern inside it. Similar pattern we will draw in second lotus. Here we will add patterns with the help of curved lines. With the help of up and down side curve line, I will complete the pattern here. After curling, this pattern will give the effect of water. Now draw pattern in trunk. Simply draw double curve lines. Draw triangles in curve lines. And it's time to add leaves. First draw leaves around the branches. Now watch carefully how we need to add pattern in leaf. Only one side we need to add slanting lines. Only in half leaf I have drawn patterns. So here, to make this tree more beautiful, we need to draw leaves nicely. Try to draw leaves in same size. Try to give equal space in leaves. Do all the steps slowly with patience. I have done everything here step by step, so follow the instructions. First I have drawn the leaves around the branches only. Then draw leaves in rest of the space. After this, complete the pattern in leaves. Only one side draw pattern in leaves. Here we will draw pattern like this. In alternate lines we will draw pattern. Dash 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 pattern we will draw here. After completing pattern in leaves and water, our painting will look like this. Add some circles as fruits here in the tree. And it's time to add colors. Coloring part is easy in this painting. You can do coloring easily. You need to keep lots of patience with coloring part 2. Do all the steps slowly with neatness. And here we are not coloring in leaves, we are adding color outside the leaves. In this way, complete the coloring part in your painting. And this is the final image of this painting. Hope you like this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And guys, do not forget to comment and tell me how did you find this painting. I love to read your comments, and press the bell icon to get all the notification. Thanks for watching.